Hello everybody, my name is Jaren Pokhrel and today I have created this video to show you my precious watermelon. So as you can see, it looks so green. This means that it's going to be very sweet. And as you can see, this watermelon plant is so big. See, that's the leaf. And if we look over here, it's trying to take over the other plants. There's the watermelon flower. You can easily pollinate this. As you can see, it's very beautiful. So this thing, it should not be curled up. If you can just pull it out, because these long pipes, they attach to other stems of a plant to hold on to themselves, but it looks like that the watermelon put it too much, so that's why this plant has lost its balance. As you can see, it randomly grew on my sunflower field. It's a bit grassier, but that's nothing to worry about. And this, I'm going to eat it happily when it grows up. I don't know what variety is this. I hope it's yellow because yellow is my favorite. As you can see, this is the tip of the new grower. I'm planning to surround it completely on this small toad of a totem. You can see in the grasses, that's watermelon. They're covered by all of the grass and the other plants, but it doesn't take their nutrition, because their root is a little bit further than the watermelon's root. The watermelon root is very at the back. Hope you like and subscribe my channel. Share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.